Hi, Sydney Brown here. Welcome back to Memoir Mastery, a step-by-step guide to writing your life story. We're getting into chapter 2, finding your theme and focus. So if you're following along, make sure that you like the videos, that you subscribe to the channel, and that definitely comment below, say that you've subscribed, say you're following, ask any questions. I definitely do my best to interact with as many people as I can each day. So by all means, please like, subscribe, and let's get moving. So now we're going to move into finding your theme and central focus. And to go into the first section, we're going to talk about the importance of a central theme. So let me tell you, having a central theme in your memoir is like having a compass to guide you through the crazy maze of your life experiences. It's like a lighthouse in the storm, a beacon, that shines through the fog and helps you make sense of it all. A central theme is what gives your memoir focus and purpose and direction. It's the thread that ties all your life experiences together, and it's the glue that holds your story together. Without a central theme, your memoir would be like a jigsaw puzzle with no edges. It's got lots of interesting pieces, but no clear picture. But here's the thing. Finding your central theme isn't always easy. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack, or a matching sock in the dryer. It takes time and patience and a willingness to dig deep and explore all the nooks and crannies of your life experiences. One way to find your central theme is to ask yourself, what's the story that I want to tell? Is it a story of resilience in the face of adversity? Or is it about, overcoming fear and doubt? Or is it maybe a story of finding love in unexpected places? Whatever it is, your central theme needs to be something that speaks to the heart of your story and to the human experience more broadly. Having a central theme in your memoir is really important because it gives your readers something to hold on to. It's what makes your story resonate with others, and it's what makes it relatable and memorable. Your central theme is what connects the story to the larger world, and it's what makes it more than just a series of anecdotes and memories. So, if you're thinking of writing a memoir, take the time to come up with your central theme. It may take some digging, it's some soul searching, maybe even a few tears, but it's worth it. It's totally worth it. Your central theme is what will give your memoir the focus, the depth, and the meaning. And it's what will make your story sing to your reader, and it's what will make it unforgettable.